There's the showroom. I got about an hour and 15-minute wait. It's finally here. Yeah, mine doesn't have a awning. I wonder if that could be it right there. They have it already. Here, check it out, my God. Tell you, my knees are shaking. Thing sure is small. Doors. We ain't gonna put much in here. No. We're only camping about 3 to 6 days a month. But yeah, it's gonna be nice. Oh, it's already got a well. Oh, maybe it does come with a paper towel holder. Oh, a spice rack. That's probably awesome. Yeah, man, oh man. I don't have a TV, but I do have that. I think it comes with the power already. Well, no, there's a receptacle. That's I don't know my best, but I am supposed to have wired for cable TV, which I just want to have it. But yeah, I laid down straight, and I fit just fine. Yes. Woo-wee! It's not old scary and big to be pulling around. That sound. I love that, Chris. Oh. We'll put something else later. Yeah, I didn't want these things. I like the blinds. Because you can open them up a bit and see some light instead of letting all the way up. Yeah, man. You love it. You gotta watch your head going out and coming in. Right there at the shower door. We'll put some up there. Love it. Sweet Texas.